Welcome back everyone, my name is Vian and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Explore page. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The Explore page is your ticket to discovering a world of content and inspiration for your newsletter. Let me show you. From articles and pre-designed templates to content ideas and lists of newsletters created by others, there's something for everyone. When you click on a newsletter card, you can open up its detail page. From there, you can also subscribe to that newsletter, making it easy to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in your industry. Whether you are a creator or a subscriber, sharing newsletters is just a click away and ridiculously easy with our social links. The Explore More button allows you to dive deeper into finding newsletters on specific topics, and the search function makes it lightning fast to find exactly what you're looking for. You can access the profile, pricing, settings tutorials, and the sign-in, sign-out options by clicking on the top right corner. On the top left corner, you'll be able to open up the navigation menu and access all other pages. From the design studio to the series builder, dashboards and campaigns, everything is just a click away. That's all for now, folks. If you liked this video, please drop a comment below and be sure to join us in the next one, as we'll be diving deep into the design studio and show you exactly how to create beautiful custom email templates using our AI technology. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.